Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to record your computer sound or how to record your system sound. You don't need to purchase or install any third-party softwares. You can easily do it from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So what you have to do is you have to go to settings. So in the search bar you can type settings and click on settings, and then go to system and then click on sound. So when you go to sound, you have to have in your input, you have to have a thing called stereo mix. Now you can click on this and you can't find your stereo mix. So what you have to do is you have to first add the stereo mix. If you have stereo mix, then you are fine. If you don't have stereo mix, you go down and click on all sound devices. Okay, here you will find the stereo mix. This is your outward microphone where it will capture the outside sound, and this is your internal. Okay, so you click on that and you say allow. Once you do that, go back again, you go back and you will see the speaker, the stereo mix you have added has come here. Okay, now what you can do is you can start recording immediately. It will start recording. So now that you have got the speakers on, okay, now it's going to record. So what you have to do is, for you to record the internal sound, you go click on the Windows and you say sound recorder. Okay, here comes the sound recorder. Okay, so we will split the screen for us to check the sound. Okay, here I have a small audio, so we will try to record the audio from the sound recorder. Here we go. Now that we have recorded the sound, we can play it and see whether actually it has got recorded properly. Okay, here we go. Okay, now that we have got the system recorded, if you want to know where the file is being saved, what you can do is you can right click and you can say show in folder. So usually this is the place that usually gets saved. So here you got the recording. I hope you like the video, and if you really like it, you can share it and you can subscribe. Thank you so much.